actual receipts of goods or services. Like we have a number of types here. Maybe that will be non-refundable versus refundable. Sometimes the product will be non-refundable and sometimes the product will be refundable. And as well as prepayment terms. Like example, they will give in advance some percentage, like a 20 or 50 percentage varies. And in the accounting treatment, we can discuss like it is an advance payment. Like we can treat it as like a prepaid expenses. Okay. Later on, we'll go to the configuration part in the first 00. So the current assets, vendor reconciliation account. So it was 705. I'll create with the 100706. The last digit was 705 now. So I'll go with the 706. There's my company code and it comes in the current assets. And this is the balance sheet. And this was, we are going to create a vendor reconciliation account.
Not vendor reconciliation account, ma'am.
Hmm.
We are making vendor advance payment GL account,
Vendor
right?
account.
So vendor pay advance payment.
Advance payment. Okay.
Reconciliation account we already created at the time of master data creation time.
Control data.
So
Like
here,
here are the mandatory steps. Yeah. Open item management and line item display is the mandatory here. Open item management and line item display. The sort key is also mandatory. Is it?
yes. Posting date you have to update posting date or
And the
anything.
field status group is 67. Because it's reconciliation account, no? So I have given as reconciliation account G0067. I'll go and save it. So here it was created. The step 1 was completed and I'll go with the step 2. It was assign special GL account advance paid to a vendor. So the D code was OBYR. So as you said, like a K was the vendor, account type K is the vendor, and special GL is A, down payment and down payment on currency, double click on assign. Okay. So it is our chart of accounts. It was assigned here. So shall I take vendor advance payment?
No. Vendor reconciliation account. So how many reconciliation account we have? Each and every reconciliation account
Okay.
we need to assign that advance GL account. But till
Okay,
you
sure.
created only one reconciliation account, that reconciliation account you have to assign vendor advance GL account in left side, not
Okay.
that.
So there are 3 reconciliation accounts, domestic, international, and one time. So I'll take the all 3. So one time. Coming to the GL account here, that was assigned to the vendor advance payment.
Same.
So this will go to the like vendor advance payment here. And the same here also for the one-time payment.
Same way, customer scenario also, we have to assign same thing. So customer advance
Okay.
received, we need to get another GL account. We have to assign customer reconciliation accounts.
Is this mandatory?
These are all not required. Just leave it.
Okay.
Enter, save it.
So this was done, and we'll come to the step 3. It was F-48. So this is the one, and we need to give the document date here. And the type of document. Like as you all know, like the type of document here we have taken as KZ. I need to take KZ or KR, sir?
For what, ma'am? Just close it. Advance payment, right?
Document type KZ is correct.
Payment. All the payments comes under KZ only.
Okay. Document number. And have a special account and the posting key. So we can observe like the posting key was 29A and the cash bank account was like 50. So debtor was 29A and it was 50. Can I pick this one?
Yes, ma'am. We
The
have only
vendor.
one vendor only
Yeah.
we have.
Yeah.
Then special GL is the important. So whatever you can
Mhm.
select, EA means down payment, like that, we can select EA.
Okay. It is rotating. Down payment on current assets. So it is asking about
Not
the
not
account, another one, the bank.
Why the checkbox alternative company code means if make payment done
Cash
for
or bank account. Yeah. The payment was done in cash or otherwise in bank account. We'll pick it as cash account here. The business area.
date also, bank field date also mandatory. Value date.
Where I can give.
Down, ma'am. Just down.
Ba- Bank charges too.
Okay.
Under the bank charges. Ma'am, slowly check one by one.
కింద నుంచి
Wait.
కింద నుంచి సెకండ్ రో
It's not asking for date.
వాల్యూ
Value
డేట్
date.
Value date.
Okay, value date.
Enter.
It's not a reconciliation account. Account 1000706.
Okay. 1000706.
But we did not pick the 706, no? Just now we picked only 700.
Go to FS00 and select that advance payment. Advance payment. Click on advance payment. Go to the edit option. Click on edit option. Control data. Select under reconciliation accounts.
Click on account for account type.
Reconciliation accounts, ma'am. So you have to understand all the
Account.
fields slowly one by
Posting
one.
Yes.
out
Yes,
in
yes.
vendors.
Enter,
Okay.
enter and save it. Is saved or not?
Yes, saved it.
Just close the screen. /I, close the current screen. Just enter. You have to post from starting on this one. Enter. Is not accepted, then you have to remove that vendor reconciliation account and no, it is accepted now. Just,
It's not a reconciliation account.
what it shows me, vendor advance payment, it comes under current assets.
Item select
The
చేయాలి.
recon account, in the recon account, we need to remove vendor and we need to mention
Reconciliation
the
account you can
asset
remove
account.
and select G001.
01 and put asset also. Yes.
And save it and
It
control data
it
also you
comes
have
at,
to remove that.
yeah, it comes under asset account, right? Vendor account, advance payment.
In reconciliation account also you have to remove that one, ma'am. It
Remove,
means
yes, remove.
vendor, not that one already removed. Control data point of view,
Okay.
vendors selected, right? Just
Remove
drill
the
down that
vendor.
one once again.
Blank it and last after contract yes, no, scroll down, yeah,
Nothing
blank
was
is there,
there.
no, select blank one, select blank.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, enter and save it. Enter on top. Not a reconciliation.
Not accepting.
You can try from starting on this.
Again, repeating with the steamer.
Can you try with
00
asset as a recon account?
100,701 company code is not a reconciliation account. Your company code also that is your company code, right?
Hmm.
You just click on the error. Master data records and wait, ma'am, wait.
Shall I search in Google?
No, ma'am. First, you have to read that one. What it says. What they are mentioning. Maximize that screen. Error screen.
Yeah.
Change the master record of above mentioned account in market as a reconciliation account. Change the customer or vendor master data. You can enter different reconciliation account there. Transaction change the location of when the configuration special GL account. సో ఒక్కసారి ఓబీ వైఆర్లోకి వెళ్ళండి మేడం. Once go to OBOR. Okay, vendor. Click on down payment, first one. First one, no? One double 500 is domestic vendor reconciliation account, or right?
Domestic, I think so. Yeah, it's a domestic vendor reconciliation account.
50, okay. And 100,706 for vendor advance payment comes under current license. Just go back and same 100,701 GL master data you have to open once again. We need. FS 00 100 706. 706, ma'am. You entered 701 something. Not there. Sorry, it is bank account, right? Okay, sorry. Sorry.
Bank account.
Sorry. Uh,
Here? Shall I
Here
give
vendor
any?
is normal.
Only one vendor we have created till now.
Go to FS 00, madam. Sorry.
Okay.
Process. Vendor advance payment. Click on that 100,706 GL account. Click on edit option. Okay. Short text, long text, go to the control data. Control data, current assets, sheet, the reconciliation. Uh, Open item, you can remove that one. In our worksheet, open item also checkbox. I mentioned or not?
You have mentioned open item.
Document, we have mentioned open item also.
Open item management and line
Oh,
item
and
display.
Vendor
Here it was
reconciliation.
67.
Okay, both we already selected reconciliation account and G067. Okay, once again try it. Reconciliation account type, vendor, G067. Okay, here we can mention vendors. Wait. Open item is not defined for the reconciliation account. Okay, remove open items. Okay, and enter and save it. Okay. Now once again we have tried to. Here also first two you can remove it, ma'am. Once again.
Which two?
Hmm.
These two?
Last two. Yes, yes. Okay. Okay. If not saved, you can leave it.
Just wait. And the special GL account was A. And coming here, I have taken a bank. Was a HDFC or something. And given amount as 2000. And the value date is mandatory. Taken as 30.
30. Today 28.
Yeah.
Post date it is not accepted.
Mm.
స్లోగా చెప్తా స్లోగా చేయండి.
Amount updated. Shall I give percentage?
No, just enter it. So then
29 A as date. And HDFC was credited.
just try to say what it shows. Look.
Document 10001 was posted.
First time we didn't selected in reconciliation account as a vendor under the control data. So later again second time we updated, that time open item is activated. So that is system is showing error. So again we can update it everything from fresh. Then it will be updated, right? There is
Yes.
no much configuration that just a vendor advance payment is the current asset GL account. That GL account we have to assign under the OBOR under the vendor reconciliation account. That two configurations only enough. Then later with the help of F-48 we can post the transaction. Sometimes if data everything it will be updated, configuration is completed properly also system it will not update it. Then again sometimes log out, then again we can log in, then it will work. Okay, next explain.
Next step 4, vendor invoice posting with FB60 and F-43. So I'll go with the FB60.
FB60 is the with PO document or without PO transaction?
With PO.
With PO.
With PO.
Where we entered PO number here?
Yeah, with PO. Here it
Without,
is a single screen and F-43 is a double screen.
F-50 is the without PO screen invoice. FI level directly we can post a invoice. So with PO invoices only from MM side only. No accounts user cannot post any purchase invoice. That is later we will discuss. Okay, ma'am, carry on. If session is completed, please join same link. Again, we have 7 minutes. Carry on, ma'am.
Okay.
Once class is completed,
Yeah.
yesterday also, once again, ma'am, yesterday I already explained regarding the same topic, and today also, Aparna ma'am done the configuration end to end. So once it's completed, so everybody let at least 5 to 10 minutes need to explain overview regarding the special GL indicators. Ma'am,
So
you are explain.
yeah, I have created. Sure. You
Okay.
can carry on.
No, ma'am. You can,
Uh-huh.
you're doing the configuration with explanation also. I'm expecting
Okay.
from you.
Okay, fine. So I have taken only one vendor. Till now I have created only one vendor. So that's why I'm using the same one here.
Here not required, ma'am.
Not required. Yes, not required. And coming to here, the invoice date it is asking, and I have taken as KR is a vendor invoice, and the amount I'm giving as 1,000, and the tax amount. Tax
Tax
amount was also
configuration
not
still
required.
not completed. So
Yeah. So I'm going with amount. Shall I go with domestic vendor thing?
anyone, ma'am, no issue. Just do it. But another vendor till you didn't created any vendor, right? Only domestic
Mm-hmm.
vendor only created one vendor, domestic group only.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mohan garu,
Yes,
this is the non-payable entry.
yes. Ma'am, why you are entering again vendor debit line item?
Okay. Okay. Sorry.
Yes, sir. Chapman, sir.
Sir, this is the non-payable entry.
Hmm.
Actually, POS entry, no need of raise the invoice entry. Already IRGR clearing after that raise the invoice entry.
Without PO also, without
That is the
PO,
non-payable.
not sir, your, what is your question?
This is actual PO entry. No need of post the invoice entry. Why?
Yes.
Because I
PO,
have to IRGR clearing. That's why I
yes.
have to automatically. This is the non-payable
Yes.
entry.
That we'll discuss about FI to MM integration point of view. Based on the PO order, once purchase order placed, in MyGo transaction, we just updated PO number, and MyRo transaction, we just updated MyGo number.
Yes, sir.
Then it will come the interest.
So in the
So,
debit side, I have taken domestic vendor reconciliation here, and I'm going with the credit side.
ma'am, once again, ma'am, I
Uh,
already told this is the vendor invoice screen. You just
mhm.
remove the current screen. Just
Okay.
yes. Whenever you're posting any kind of vendor invoices without PO, so this is the FB60. So entry
Mm.
is inventory raw material account debit to vendor account credit to. So in top of the side, vendor name automatically updated. So once we can select that vendor name and here amount
Okay.
number updated 1,000, then automatically credit line name it will be updated. No need to update it one more credit line here. Only here you have updated debit
Only
line
one.
item, sir. Debit line item,
Okay.
debit. So top of the side always credit GL credit entry when comes under the vendor invoice. So you just updated
Got it.
vendor name and amount, then automatically credit side line item wise line item fields updated automatically. Then debit side material line items only like debit line item material GL accounts only we have to update it. So here you updated 1000500 which is that GL account. Just click on
It's a
once again.
domestic. It's a
Why
domestic
after
vendor
domestic
reconciliation.
vendor reconciliation account?
Yeah.
Explain the entry, ma'am. Vendor invoice purchase entry.
Vendor invoice?
Vendor invoice entry entry చెప్పండి మేడం. వెండర్ దగ్గర నుంచి మెటీరియల్ వస్తాయి. ఎంట్రీ చెప్పండి.
Yeah. Um,
It is a contract.
vendor invoice.
ఇప్పుడే చెప్పాను మేడం. రా మెటీరియల్ అకౌంట్ డెబిట్ వెండర్ అకౌంట్ క్రెడిట్. సో పైన వెండర్ ఆల్రెడీ అప్డేట్ చేసేసాం. ఇంకా డెబిట్ సైడ్ రా మెటీరియల్ అకౌంట్ ఒక్కటే వేయాలి. సో రా మెటీరియల్ ఇన్స్టా ఆఫ్ రా మెటీరియల్ బదులు ఇంతకు ముందు క్లాస్ లో స్టీల్ అనేది సెలెక్ట్ చేసాం. సో స్టీల్ అనే
Steel.
జిఎల్
Yes. ఏదైనా సరే రా
మర్చిపోకుండా
మెటీరియల్ సెలెక్ట్. యా.
Okay, carry on. Enter 1007011 is the steel GL account, right?
Steel. Yes.
Okay. Okay, enter. Okay, wait. So this particular vendor, so in F dot 48 scenario, we already make some advance 2000, right? So here
Yes.
vendor invoice is 1000. So and again we will post one more invoices for 1000. Later we have to assign, but before assigning it will shows advance is 2000 and invoice is 1000. System always it will shows, but that balance amount it will not be adjusted. So in this vendor already 2000 advance paid. So whenever you are trying to post any invoice for the particular vendor, system automatically it will show a hint. So regarding this vendor, we already paid 2000 advance. Just continue. Specific
Specify
baseline.
payment period.
It is asking
Baseline date.
baseline date. Enter. Payment terms will not defined. Just enter and save it. Okay, document
502 was
50
posted.
was posted in company code. So blindly you can keep in mind whenever vendor invoice time, vendor account always comes under credit, material GL account always comes under debit. So in this screen, automatically top of the side, credit relevant vendor GL account is updated. We just updated vendor name and amount, then automatically credit line item it will be completed. Then debit line item, how for example we received.
Yeah.